Frustrated with the Python 311 DLL pop-up blocking your software? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows support engineer, and I'll walk you through the diagnostic repair to get things running smoothly again. For professional-grade Python 311 maintenance, follow the diagnostic link in the description. This DLL file is the core interpreter library for Python 311. It offers improved performance and new features for Python-based software, serving as the essential runtime layer for developers and modern Windows applications. Now that you have the context, let's move into the repair process with a fresh installation. The Python 311 DLL is a third-party application file associated with Python Interpreter. Performing a clean reinstall of the latest version of Python Interpreter will restore the correct version of this file. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Python 311 file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. Beyond the repair, maintaining a secure workstation requires avoiding a few common technical mistakes. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of the Python 311 DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. Let's conclude by looking at how a system maintenance utility can help keep your performance optimized and your libraries synchronized. The official utility reference below outlines an approach to managing the Python 311 within a Windows library environment. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped your Python 311 workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.